Making sense of percents. Convert them to decimals. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of percents. Specifically, we'll be learning how to convert them to decimals. It might sound challenging, but I promise, by the end of this video, you'll be a pro at it. Percents are a way to express a number as a fraction of 100. The word percent actually comes from the Latin percentum, which means by the hundred. It's used widely in daily life, whether we're talking about sales in a store, grades in school, or interest rates in finance. For example, when you hear that 50% of a group likes chocolate, it means 50 out of every 100 people in that group like chocolate. Now, you might wonder, why would we want to convert percents to decimals? Well, decimals can be easier to work with, especially when you're doing math. It's also essential when you're using calculators or spreadsheets because they typically don't have a percent button. So, understanding how to switch between percents and decimals is a valuable skill. Alright, let's get to the main topic. Converting a percent to a decimal is actually simpler than you might think. 1. Step 1. Take your percentage. Let's use 50% as an example. 2. Step 2. Drop the percent sign, percent. 3. Step 3. Divide by 100 or, even simpler, move the decimal point 2 places to the left. For our example, 50, after dropping the percent, becomes 0.50 when we move the decimal point. And that's it. 50% is equal to 0.50 in decimal form. Let's try a few together. 1. 20% becomes 0.20. 2. 5% becomes 0.05. 3. 125% becomes 1.25. 4. 0.5% becomes 0.005. Remember the trick. Just drop the percent sign and move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So there you have it. Converting percents to decimals might have seemed daunting at first, but with a little practice, it becomes second nature. Keep practicing, and you'll be a master in no time. I hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, happy learning!